Hi, my name's Chris. I'm the owner of this 1975 Porsche 914 that has been, fairly heavily modified. It's got an LS3 out of a 2015 Camaro. It's got a Boxster 6-speed transaxle. And then there's all kinds of fabrication work that we've done to it. I say we, I've got a partner in crime that I work with in my shop, and just a couple of amateurs, but we're having a great time doing it. So it's got, turbo forward headers. It's got all 911 brakes. The suspension has been physically lowered into the chassis or raised into the chassis to lower the car. All the electronics that control the car are done through a wireless steering wheel paddle button set, so there's no switches on the dashboard. It's got a Renegade Hybrids kit radiator and adapter plate that hooks the engine and transmission up. Run a numeric shifter. It's a cable shifted system. Ronal wheels, all 911 brakes, I think I mentioned. Instead of venting the radiators through the fender wells like most 914 water-cooled conversions do, I plasma cut a set of hood vents, so that changes the look of the car a little bit. What else? It's got a chassis stiffening that runs from the rear suspension up through door bars, a low hoop, up to the front suspension. So pretty stiff chassis. It was dynoed at 518 horsepower, so it's overpowered, but it's the chassis has been stiffened, the brakes are all upgraded, so it works pretty good. And it's just it's been a great learning experience as I practice my fabrication skills, and just a kind of a weekend, take it out a few times a month kind of a car.